Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Comparing final temperatures of water and ethanol is easy if you focus on specific heat. Let's solve this chemistry challenge together right now. Both systems receive heat from identical iron cubes. Since the masses and initial temperatures are equal, we must look at how each liquid absorbs energy to find the final thermal equilibrium. Because the specific heat capacity of ethanol is significantly lower than water, it requires much less energy to raise its temperature. Water holds on to heat better, meaning it warms up slowly. Consequently, for a given heat transfer, ethanol experiences a larger temperature jump. This makes option C the logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given specific heat values to succeed.